Time for another outdoor fashion shoot, and this time with my friend Krisan, and shooting with just one camera and nothing else. No reflector, no external lights, nothing. Just a camera and a model. Let's go. So we decided to shoot early morning in Bandra. The sun was lovely, the location was nice and green, there were trees at the back, and Krisan was wearing this nice gown, and we started shooting. The morning light is always the best. This nice little warm golden sunlight that's coming, and as you can see here on Krisan's face, on her hair, it's looking so lovely, and the whole backdrop is just merging in with the brown trees and the skin tone. I just love this whole color theme over here, which was with her dress, with her hair, with the trees. It just looked so beautiful, and I was switching between two lenses, the 50mm Sigma Art and the 28-75 Tamron lens, and these were my main lenses that I was using for this shoot. And you can see the results over here. Fantastic. I was also shooting a fashion film along with the pictures, so you can see glimpses of that over here too. I was not using any external light or a reflector because the light was nice and soft, and all you need to do in such a situation is just look for the correct place where the light is falling on your subject, the right amount of light. It should not be too harsh or too dark. You just need to keep experimenting, keep moving around a little, and you'll find the best light. You just have to look for it. I was shooting at the lowest aperture possible so as to blur out the background and all the people that were moving around, so as to make the pictures really pop out, to make the model really pop out. I also tried clicking through these plants and these leaves and to give this beautiful image a mood, a tone, a very earthy kind of a feel to these pictures because it was all green around when we were shooting. And this blue dress that Krisan was wearing was really standing out. It was giving a nice little contrast with the blue and the green, and she was moving the dress very nicely, and I could get these nice shots for my video also, as you can see over here. This whole dress and the mood was almost giving like a very fairy tale-ish kind of a feel, which was working for us, so we were both really enjoying the way the picture and the video was looking. Again, like I have mentioned in my previous videos also, when you have to shoot video handheld without a gimbal, you can use your camera strap as like a little support and just extend it out and then move around, so that there's no shake, no movement other than what you really want to do. Then we changed this location and we went to these nice little by lanes of Bandra, and there were these old steps, there were these vines of plants and trees which are around us. There's a really nice dappled light falling on Krisan's face, and I was loving this. In fact, in the background over here was Shah Rukh Khan's house, for those who are his fans. We were really lucky to have a location like this, even though I didn't have anything else, like I told you, besides my camera. So all you need is the right light, the right time of the light. So ideally shoot early morning or late evening when the sun is nice and soft, and look around you and find places where you find the right light, find the right balance of sun and shade, and then you'll just create magic. And of course, when you're shooting outdoors, especially videos, you need to use an ND filter so as to not blow your highlights away. And you need to always underexpose, like I mentioned earlier too, so that you can always recover that in post. You can always make the image more brighter, but always shoot a little underexposed and use an ND filter always whenever you're shooting outdoors. That'll give you the best results, the best colors, the best video possible. Also, when I was editing these pictures, there was so much scope to kind of play with the hues and the saturation because of the amazing location that we were shooting at. So I kind of experimented a little. Every image that you see over here, you'll see that it looks different from each other because of the different tones of the wall, the greens, the hues, the saturation. So it gave me more creative freedom to kind of play around with the colors and the pictures. Okay, so it's a wrap with Krisan.
Back up!
Back up, and we finally shot we've been planning again.
I have been waiting to shoot. I've been waiting to shoot with this man right here for like
Yeah.
so many years, and finally he's had the time.
No. It was the lockdown, that happened.
And somehow the lighting and everything just fits so perfectly.
Yeah, we're shooting here in Bandra, and that's Kinjal. She's doing her
That's
makeup
Kinjal,
and hair.
he's done an amazing job.
Yeah.
All of this is all her.
Yeah. And some nice early morning lighting in Bandra, as you can see. So it's good fun.
Cannot wait for these pictures. They're too
Yeah,
good.
you'll see
Too
them.
good.
Okay, bye.
Alright, so that was it. I hope you enjoyed the shoot. I hope you enjoyed the behind the scenes and the results that we got out of this shoot. They were really, really nice. Chrisanne was a pleasure to work with. And you can follow her on Instagram, the link of which will be down in the description below. And you can follow me too. And until next time, keep shooting. And subscribe if you haven't already. Bye.